In this video, we demonstrate the setup of the posterior cassette, including priming and testing. First, verify on the setup screen that the appropriate doctor and procedure have been selected. Observe that the Constellation Vision System setup screen has 6 information panels. They are fluidics, probe, handpiece, accessories, illumination, and lasers. Each panel provides buttons which assist the operator in selecting the proper surgical instrument or instrument function. Each panel can provide more information by pressing the More button located at the lower right corner of the panel. For instance, the More button of the Fluidics Module cassette system can show the connection layout of the cassette ports for fluidics connections. It also shows that each port is labeled and color-coded to provide the easiest possible connection. The information the More buttons reveal is outside the purpose of this video. We do urge you to review and familiarize yourself with the information the More buttons provide. Each Alcon product pack has a barcode located on the labeling. Before opening a posterior segment cassette pack and related accessories, scan the barcode on the barcode scanner. After scanning, peel the lid from the pack and aseptically transfer the components to the sterile field. Drape the monitor with the cover provided. For screen clarity, we have removed the drape for the remainder of this demonstration. Install the cassette by inserting the bottom of the cassette into the fluidics module. Push the cassette via the handle into the module. Ensure the drain bag hangs freely. Connect the gray and black pneumatic drive lines to the console. Gray to gray, black to black. The flange on the connector acts as a sterile barrier, so this task can be performed by the sterile scrub nurse. The radio frequency identification rings will illuminate green when attached. If the connector illuminates amber, this indicates that the handpiece has been connected to the wrong port. Connect the dark blue vitrectomy probe vacuum line to the cassette and turn clockwise until fully engaged, or about 2 clock hours. The connector and cassette ports are color-coded and keyed for ease of identification. Connect the light blue extrusion line to the cassette. Then select Extrusion Soft Tip from the handpiece drop-down menu bar. Now attach the soft tip needle to the extrusion line. If a fragmentation handpiece is used, please refer to the Constellation System Fragmentation section later in this video. Connect both the green and white connectors of the infusion tubing set to the cassette. Next, open one flap of the infusion cannula tray to gain access to the luer fitting. While keeping the cannula in the tray, connect the fitting to the green infusion line. The tray must be set on a flat surface in preparation for priming and calibration. Connect both the red and gray connectors of the administration tubing set to the cassette. Pass the drip chamber to the circulator directly or set the drip chamber on the bottle hook. Remove the protective cover from the drip chamber and aseptically spike the irrigation bottle. Squeeze the drip chamber to fill approximately 2/3 full. Before priming is initiated, ensure that the tray arm is at mid-cassette level and that IOP compensation is enabled. Press the Start Prime button on the touchscreen to initiate priming. The process may take 1 to 2 minutes, and care should be taken not to bump the tray arm or disturb the handpieces during priming and tuning, as this may affect calibration. After priming and tuning is complete, the system will automatically proceed to the surgery screen. The scrub nurse carefully uncoils the fiber-optic illuminator probe and inserts the connector into the illumination port. Always start at the default settings, then increase only when the surgeon requests. The RFID illumination ring will turn green, showing proper placement. For more detailed instructions, please consult the operator's manual or the directions for use.